Hello everybody, hello, it's me again, your sister, your friend Lady J. And if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so that if I put more video, you will be the first person to know. And if you have subscribed here before, thank you and God bless you. My people, one of our brother don't cry out him. He say you really need advice from Mona, because if they see the way we take the advice people for this my platform, and I said no, to they may see bring you wanna see advice and I ain't go about you too. You understand me, my people? So now I can't ask and say what happen. He say now they get when in date for Italy or 2 of them date together or before they get come carry belle. Even be not even not know say they get belle safe. So that later you can't know say they get belle. So because say okay, no problem now. Make them they get come born the pikin for Italy there. So as they born the pikin, later after the pikin don't reach like 2 years or 3 years, the boy don't come see him again. So the girl come travel, the boy come they look for him. And later I come here say they say they don't travel, go another country where for they receive benefit. So he can't go. So then the boy come later find him for where he did. The boy come they look for him, the boy not see him. Not know he say now somebody come tell the boy say the girl don't go born with Oyibo. You understand me? You don't go carry belle for Oyibo. And the boy can say, so later she come born the pikin for Oyibo. So in with the Oyibo not come day again. So this boy that I can't find him, he can't later see the boy contact. He can't they beg the guy say I beg. May they come back together again. So now he can't tell the girl say no, you know what? The girl can't they beg him. I say okay, may they see whether 2 of them, whether I go feel work out for them. They can't day again. So as they can't day now, so he said the boy, the girl, so when he come the country, so he can't stay the girl house, they can't day together. So when with the girl they live fine, everything they work for after the girl don't beg them. So when he come notice and say money whether they pay the girl for the pikin, the girl they use and they take care of our own self, you know, they use and they take care of the pikin. So now you can't tell the girl say why I be say this money whether they pay the pikin, usually the reason they take care of yourself, only your own self, you know, they take care of this pikin. Then the girl converse, the girl say who be you will go tell me what I want is my money to do. I hope say not this money you won't come pull eye. Then the boy say you not pull eye for the money. Why I be say you just they carry the thing like offense. Any small thing your verse, you not pull eye for the money. And the girl say na lie, the boy must come up for a house. You can't start problem. As the boy can't say as he be, and the boy can't come out. So as the boy can't come out now, you not even want me the boy can't see the pikin again at all. So the boy can't try maybe say a pikin, maybe they close to a young pikin. Because in the feel say if the boy they close to the pikin will can't give the boy document. You understand? Because of that one, he say lie, they not go allow the girl, the boy see the pikin. So the boy say he don't even carry the matter go court don't talk. They say that they address the case. He say so he don't know what to do again. He don't know how he want go about him now, because the girl they fight with different things. He say one day now, in the waka they go, the ICC say the girl don't say carry another belle again for another man again. He said the girl don't carry another belle again for another man. As you can see the girl they waka alone. Like you say, when you own pikin, the girl say that one not consign now. He said they want start to the quarrel for a train station. Now police come. So he said because people when they give him for court, see they carry the people follow body, you know. So he can show police can tell us okay, the matter even they court. See me they take a miss, since the matter don't they court, so they don't get anything they want talk for the matter again, you know. So now the girl don't want making evil they see the pikin. I don't have the problem now. He don't want because he say because the pikin will give the boy a document. Now I'm not gonna ask the boy now the document you day after being at your pikin. Let her carry a document make she they eat. Because people for this that they believe say document. Now one kind big something will be say another person will get and again one day. That document when they feel say that pikin will give you, it go even surprise one day they go even call you, give you documents for the country where you there too. You understand? So I don't really know the way some people think they look these document things like one kind big something. Okay, see, allow him make see the see pikin. The girl say no, lie. You know, go green made this boy come they say this pikin. He say no know what to do again. He say nah. Where the girl want talk now. He say even if pikin now. The boy said the girl don't go spoil the pikin now against the papa. He said nah. He said the pikin now go even come court. The day when they get caught again now, the pikin will come now come talk say he no need the papa. He don't want the papa because the papa na bad person. If papa only come because of documents, papa not come stay with him. He said now wait till the girl tell her now say now the pikin want come talk for court now. Now say how many years the pikin dey? He said the pikin don't reach 9 years. Now say he don't reach to ask question. He say him be they say him go tell the if that day go reach him go tell them say they not ask the pikin question. Now say you not get right for that one no. I be my people. I say you not get right for that one no because the pikin don't grow and they must want ask a question. Now understand my people because they must ask a question. So now that one now say now in the fear now because he say he don't know what to do now. Now tell I say they must ask a question. I be my people. So he say he don't know how he want go about in the fear because they'll go court now because if they go court anything that's what pikin talk now they will take. You understand? He say even the lawyer will be even there aside before one lawyer for there. He say nah. The lawyer now say when they work for the girl. He say no know what to do again now. So now you can go meet your lawyer. Say see that lawyer will be the even when they be give them before. Now the lawyer say now the girl now. Now you want to work with now. He say no know what to do again. Now in the fear. So now I tell her say no worry. They go see I go bring this topic so that maybe people advise you. Maybe some people figure 1 or 2 things where they go see do for you. You understand? So now be the thing. I beg my people, more na advise if you get any advice when I feel give this boy, this our brother, so that make it go about and if get good lawyer because the place where they take for the apple so na Germany. So not waiting will consider the add again and Germany for apple. So anybody will get what you go fit do for this guy. Make if you get good lawyer, I beg. I go give the contact to Mona see help am whether not to give a better lawyer we go help and fight this case. You now understand because in now the fear see no know how I want go about am because some girls they are really wicked. Although I never hear from the girl, but the way the boy they tell me if not truth the girl not do well at all. You understand? She not do well. I don't know what is some girls they really enjoy to like to the both for different guys they go. You come for different men. The three children, 3 father. It's not good now. It don't make sense. Now you feel the feel a good thing they do. But you know say you are not helping yourself, my dear. What you do to yourself so and later you can't regret them. You understand? Now be one thing one another you understand. How you just did the both for different men they go. I don't understand. I don't know what they enjoy. Oh now when they look this document like what kind of big something. Document everybody go get on one day. Now just paper. They don't they eat them. Where basically to give another person go they pay on like another thing You go they pay on now. Because this is our brother say now wait till the girl they talk they go say lie say if that his son can never give a document. The son can never give a document, you know? What is the document, my dear? So I don't tell this our brother, make you not worry. We'll still try our best when we take help him to how him want go about him. Make it whether one get any good lawyer we go fight this case for him because he don't want to lose his son. He want to dey close to his son. Not be the money in there after, not be the document in there after. Now just me in there close to his son. The girl don't agree. The girl don't even pick a call. The girl don't want me the picking they see him. So now wait make him bring this matter come out now. More now advise him how he want go about his life now because he don't want to lose that picking. Picking when they reach 9 years. He get a B now. So if you not come dey close to that pikin now, when you come dey close to them, later now, if you say make you come go dey close to the pikin, when the pikin don grow, pikin will come dey vex say where you dey since, but you not gonna know say na your mama cause am. You understand? You not gonna know. You gonna feel say maybe the papa just abandon her like that. So na make him say he want dey close to the pikin, the thing dey pain am for body. So mona abeg, mona advise am how he wan go about am, whether make if una get any advice when I go fit give am, wey you go fit take better lawyer. Maybe mona do am for this our brother. So thank you everybody. Now this short message I just make I talk today. So I remain una sister, una friend, Lady J. So thank you and God bless you people, and continue to subscribe and continue to share this video. Share this video for me so that make everybody see am. I beg. If na voice record una wan send o, mona send am. If na to write am for the comment section for YouTube there, mona still write am for there. I beg, because anything we una write, you go see everything, and the voice record I go still send am to am. I beg, mona try, mona help this our brother. Thank you, Thank you everybody, and God bless you people. Bye.